Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to use Bluesky. Whether you are here to connect, share or explore this new take on social media, I have got you covered. In this beginner's guide, I will walk you through everything you need to know about using Bluesky. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Launch your Bluesky app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, clicking on three bars given at the top left, you're gonna get access to key sections like search, home, chat, notifications, and many more. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find this hashtag icon. Click on that. This icon lets you customize your feed to explore trending content, check mutuals, or focus on specific interest. This discover and following tabs make it easy to explore new content or track updates from people you follow. If you want to create a new post, click on this blue icon given at the bottom right. Now you can compose a post. Also, you can add images, likewise adjust privacy settings. These are the icons to add photo or click the picture. Likewise, you can add GIFs. And once you do that, you can click on post. With that, your post will be updated on Bluesky. Interacting with posts is intuitive. Like post, repost, or share post with extra options are available via the three-dot menu. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find Home tab, likewise search, messages, notifications, and your profile. The interface of the app is simple, making it easy for anyone to start exploring and connecting. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.